it's lockdown, I did some shopping. Like, in general, I'm not a person who shop online. Like, no, never. Because I want that touch, that feel of fabric, and that it has to be fit me well, because I have type of body that, oh my god, like honestly, I have to struggle more than Ananya Pandey to get that perfect fit to my body. But guess what? Lockdown has changed me, because I have done recently lots of like, not kind of lots of, but in the sense of 5 or 6 new clothes, and I'm gonna show you guys kind of a little haul, and I don't know, I have it with me. So let's get started. So the first one is actually a one shoulder dress. It's so cute. Oh my god, when I saw this on Myntra, I guess, yes, I bought it from Myntra. It's around 450, I guess, yeah. Like, it was a sale going on Myntra, and oh my god, I cannot believe it's only for 450. And like, can you imagine that I can miss the chance of getting this kind of amazing one piece in just 450? I can never. Oh my god. So yeah, I love this so much. It's really amazing. Like, look at this. I will put some pictures or videos here. I have, when I wore that, and it looks so perfect on my body, and it really looks so cool. So I really like this purchase. But I don't know when will I wear this, because we are still in lockdown. Like, kind of, not it's unlocked, but we are not going outside, so I don't know if I'm gonna wear this in next year. I don't know. But is it worth it? Definitely. The price was definitely worth it. Oh my god. So okay, I will put all the links in the description box in case you want to check that out. So the next one is actually normal tee, but I really like the color. It's maroon color kind of, because I don't have more in a red and maroon kind of clothes, because honestly my mom gets so angry because I only have black, white, grays and navy blue and this peach, like baby pink peach color type of, because literally, and denim of course. So I'm that kind of person. I only have these colors in my wardrobe or cupboard or whatever you say. And my mom be like, why don't you shop any other colors? Like, what's your obsession with these colors? And I don't know, like, I really love those colors only. So I think now it's time to do some experimental on my clothes. So I'm getting colorful clothes nowadays. So this is one of that purchase, and it's just, I recently come across a page. It's Beautify Yourself. I will mention it here if you want to shop from it. I will not recommend it because it's not, like, I don't like that fabric or the fabric of the cloth that much, but in the price it's worth it. Like, मैंने तो ये घर में पहनने के लिए मंगाई थी, so it's nice. Like, it's only 130. So 130 में इतनी अच्छी is not a bad purchase, I guess. So you can definitely check that out. The link in that page. It's nice, but I don't know. I won't recommend it. Next one. It's a bodycon dress. It's from Ajio, and it's also 450. Yes. And yay, like, I don't have any bodycon dresses firstly, so I wanted to buy a bodycon dress from so long, and in this lockdown I was literally swiping through the sites and the apps and all, and I came across this beautiful bodycon dress, and it was just in 450, and I was like, wow, I don't have any, and this is so cool, so I have to buy this. So I did it. It's really nice, and it's perfectly cover my body and all, so I really like that one. The another one is also a घर में पहनने वाली t-shirt, but it's nice because I don't have this kind of print. I really like, अभी इसका trend चल रहा है, like बहुत सारे लोग ऐसा पहन रहे हैं, and अभी like I should also buy this. So it's kind of a print, like you can see it's like grey and white in between print. and yeah, it's nice. So it's about 150. So ये 150 के है, and this I haven't bought online. ये मैंने मेरे घर के बाजू में एक हॉल में सेल था, वहाँ से लिया था. So yeah, that was it. And the last but not the least is my rainbow top. Oh my god, I love this. Okay, look at the print. It's kind of nice. And मैंने ये ना मतलब सर्दियों को ध्यान में रखते हुए, ना विंटर वेयर को ध्यान में रखते हुए खरीदा है कि like probably fingers crossed कि like next month और दिवाली के बाद शायद colleges खुल जाए, open हो जाए, and I can wear all the things in my college. So I think that's a good purchase for my college. Like I can wear it daily, day-to-day daily life in my college. So I think it's a good purchase for my winter wear. And so it's also from Beautify Yourself, and it was around $2.99. So yeah, it's nice. It's nice. If you want to experiment in your colors from your wardrobes, you should definitely buy that, because I don't have any colorful clothes, and that's the main reason why I bought these two from that site, and it's quite nice. I'm not satisfied, like I will not 100% recommend you, but if you are searching for like budget and clothes, like in day-to-day life, it's not that bad. Like quality इतनी भी खराब नहीं है, but yeah, you should give it a try. So yeah. So I think oh yeah, and the last thing which I bought in this lockdown is my white shorts. Wait. That's the shorts I bought in this lockdown, and oh my god, I'm in love with these shorts. Like honestly, like if I say like I just have denim shorts in my wardrobe, like I don't have I just have denim shorts. I have one denim short and one white shorts, but that white short is not like of a jeans material. So I thought I want a white short so badly. So this is the one of, and I want a black shorts also. Like that's the three basic color you must have, I think so. So black, white and denim. So I have denim. I now have white shorts and black. I will think of it. और मुझे ना एक boots भी लेना है, मैंने Amazon पे देखे हैं. I think I will buy that boots in this Diwali. Let's see. I don't know. So I hope this haul or whatever you call this was helpful in any kind, I don't know. And yup, you got some kind of idea from where to buy. Honestly, clothes on Myntra and Ajio, it's so awesome. Like I really want to buy so many stuff. I put them in wish list, but I hope I'll buy that all soon. But my mom, like every time when a delivery boy come and give a parcel, my mom be like, "तो पूरा दिन घर पे बैठ के shopping ही करती है क्या?" Like seriously, I don't know, she's exhausted from my shopping. But I was like, और मैं lockdown में बैठ के मैं क्या करूँ? I'm super bored and I don't have anything to do. So whatever. But if I purchase any more thing, my mom's gonna be kicking me out from the house because she has given me warning कि भाई पहले ये जितने लिए हैं पूरे पैन वसूल कर, उसके बाद कोई अच्छा वाला लेना. So I'm gonna wear this for the next 3 months whatsoever. I don't know, hope so we can go out, and yeah, then maybe my mom will allow me to buy some new clothes. I don't know, hope so. So I really hope you like this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next one. Stay happy, beautiful, and love yourself. Sending you lots of love.